Well, hello all. This is Sony Xperia 5 Mark 4 camera test. If at all it's possible, try to watch in 4K in a bigger screen like a TV or at least in laptop. This whole footage is recorded with the Cinema Pro app. If you are wondering what is Cinema Pro, this is a pro camera app for video recording exclusively for Sony Xperia phones. This UI will look very similar to Sony camera's UI since that's their intention. With this app, you'll get lot of control over the camera, ISO, shutter speed, autofocus, manual focus, and white balance. Particularly Sony looks or LUTs, whatever they called, will get 8 to 9 looks, which are definitely useful. But I prefer the basic one since you get lot of highlights in the video. This app made its debut to smartphones back in 2019 with the Sony Xperia 1. Coming back to 5 Mark 4, all three lenses support 4K 24 fps to 120 fps in HDR.
Blue moon, been one or two since I ran.